Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Fahri. I'm from a class of English. Here I am. I want to present my material of hazard. Let's see the show from the understanding of hazard. Meaning of hazard is a condition that result potentially cause harm, injury, or illness to workers. From understanding of hazard, having a safe alert level for the world of work. And what is hazard factor? Factor of hazard. The hazard factor is an intrinsic factor that is attached to something. It can be an item or a condition. For example, pesticides on vegetables or heat coming out of an airplane engine. Hazard factors are also divided into several types, namely, there is biological hazard factor. There is mold, virus, bacterial, plant, animal. And then chemical hazard factor, there is toxic, reactive, radioactive, flammable, irritant, corrosive. And then physical or mechanical factor, that heat, construction, machine, limited space, pressure, noise, temperature, light, electricity, vibration, and radiation. And then there is biomechanical hazard factor, reproductive motion, posture or of walking, position, manual transport, workspace design. And then psychological factor, stress, violence, abuse, exclusion, intimidation, emotion, and negative. And there is risk of hazard, the uncertainty of losses such as hurricanes, earthquakes, and tsunamis. Wait. And there are also hazards that can be generated very close to our environment, namely at home. In this case, we have three cases, and the first case is gas fire. The reason is the explanation was triggered by lacking gas cylinder. Consequence, case of fire, and the solution is use a good hose and regulator. Turn off the stove when not in use. And the second case is electrocute. The reason is cables that have electric voltage but are left standard. Error in use of electronic equipment like plug, switch, and test pan. And what the consequence is being electrocuted by high voltage and cause death. And what the solution? The solution is installation of electrical installation that are good and according to standard, and be careful when using electronical. And the last case is short circuit. The reason is poor quality cables or MCB, non-standard installation cable, beaten by red. Consequence, fire due to electric short circuit to flammable object, electric shock. And the solution is installation is good and according to standard, using equipment that has good quality. And there is hazard on home sample. Always be aware of the hazard wherever the environment is. I ask for fairness in the learning of stage. Thank you. Salam.